Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can turn off pin security on your Android lock screen. Well, it's quite easy. So all you have to do is open your settings application, and then from here, if you scroll down here, you can see the option of lock screen and AOD. Simply tap on it, and then from here you can see the option of screen lock and biometrics. So if you simply tap on this option here, you'll have to enter your current pin or pattern that you have set to your phone. So after doing that, here the settings will open, and now then from here you can simply tap on the swipe just like this, or you can simply tap on none just like this. So here you can see it says a warning about removing your data. So if you want this pin or any kind of fingerprint to be removed from your phone and simply use the option swipe or none, you can tap on remove data just like this, and then tap on remove fingerprints. So after doing that, here you can see we have gone to the none option. So if you simply lock your phone just like this, and if you want to open your phone, you can simply press on the power on button again, and just like this, here you can see we don't require any kind of pin security on your phone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.